chicos del pueblo están con nosotros. Empezaremos ahora mismo.
Sí, eso es. De acuerdo, vamos.
They call us babes in arms, but we are babes in armor. They laugh at babes in arms, but we'll be laughing far more on city streets and farms. They'll hear a rising war cry. Youth will arrive, let them know you're alive. Make it your cry. They call us babes in arms. They think they must direct us. But if we're babes in arms, we'll make them all respect us. Why have we got our arms? What have we got our fight for? Play day is done, we've a place in the sun we must fight for. So babes in arms, to arms!
To arms! To arms, babes in arms! We don't want to go to county farms! No!
Come on, you babes in arms, stand up for your right.
We're coming! We're coming!
Come on, you sons and daughters, we gotta fight.
We're coming! We're coming! George Washington was just a kid when he chopped down that tree. But if they'd locked him up for that, where'd this country be? We gotta stand! We gotta stand! We gotta stand right up! We gotta stand right up! We gotta stand right up and tell them that we're right! Yeah, we gotta fight! Yeah, we gotta fight! Fight! Fight!
What do we cheer for? What are we here for? Why were we born? What do we cry for? What do we die for? Why do we mourn? Life doesn't stop. Life doesn't wait. It goes on. We've got to step. We've got to skate into the dawn.